jumping in my ride. Looking like your money, think I better keep it on the rich man. Acting like
Hi everyone, today we will talk about digital communication. What is digital communication? Digital communication is the transmission of information electronically between devices using digital signals. It involves the exchange of data, messages, and multimedia content through platforms such as emails, text messaging, social media, video conferencing, and cloud-based collaboration tools. This form of communication relies on technologies like the internet, mobile networks, and digital media to facilitate real-time and asynchronous interaction, making it faster, more efficient, and accessible globally. Enjoy!
Where's everyone? I look pretty today. Look at your FAZLI. I look good. So pretty. Which one is better to put on my Instagram? I look good today. Share. You want to see something funny? Look at this. You!
The confident!
She look ugly.
Look at this comment.
Oh, so many toxic. Let me come.
You ugly. Yucks. What's done?
Did I do something wrong again?
Yana, what are you doing here? Yana, why you look so sad?
Nothing.
It's okay, you can tell me.
Look at this.
Yana tells Alia about the hate comments that she received.
It's okay. Just be yourself and be confident. You are gorgeous, you know.
Oh, you're so kind. Thank you, Alia. You bring back my confidence.
No worries. Keep fighting now. Keep fighting. Fighting.
In conclusion, we should support the victims, stand by those who are being bullied, and let them know they are not alone. Next, we should use social media wisely. Avoid sharing or liking hurtful posts and report online bullying. And we should build the confidence. Stay positive and help others feel confident and strong. For the last part, if you see bullying, don't ignore it. Stand up, reach out, and report it.
Which one is better to post at Instagram or no?
You, be confident. Yeah. Kiss. Good job. Oh, thank you, Alia. You so kind. You bring back.
Sesi komen buruk, okay? Saya ikut guys.
Ya kan?
Tapi macam sama aja, orang sama juga ni.
Nanti blur kan? Blur. Gambar apa blur?
Biarkan user jangan contohi buku-buku je.
Aku kata dah gambar apa?
Tidak baik. Oh, ini dia punya watak pertama.
Biar yang watak utama dia.
Saya yang di kutuk.
Sebenarnya tu dia punya kan lupa dah.
Berita hari ini akan 414 grup baru kelang kabut.
Kami sangat kelang kabut ya. Tak payah semangat.